Hey everyone, welcome back. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix Draw.io export PDF failed issues in 2026. So if your diagram is not exporting to PDF, the download is failing, or you are getting an error during export, this guide will help you fix it step by step. First, refresh Draw.io and make sure your diagram is fully loaded before trying to export again. Sometimes incomplete loading can cause export failures. Next, check your internet connection if you're using the online version. A weak connection can interrupt the export process. Now try exporting a smaller diagram or a simplified version. Very large or complex diagrams can sometimes fail during PDF generation. Next, clear your browser cache and cookies. Corrupted browser data can interfere with export tools and file generation. Now try opening Draw.io in an incognito window or a different browser to rule out browser-related issues. Next, disable browser extensions temporarily. Some extensions can block downloads or interfere with export scripts. Now make sure your device has enough storage space. Low disk space can prevent PDF files from being created properly. Next, update your browser to the latest version to avoid compatibility problems with export features. Now try changing the export format and then converting it back to PDF if needed. Finally, restart your browser or computer and try exporting again with a new file name. And that's it. You've successfully fixed Draw.io export PDF failed issues. Now your diagrams should export to PDF smoothly without errors. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials like this.